Right, common fault with BMW professional displays is that in hot weather you lose the pixels and sometimes it goes completely blank. Just to test this, here's a bag of icy water. See, comes back. The longer you leave it there, the better it gets. But that just shows you it's gone off because of the heat. And what I'm going to try and do is take the vents out, drill a hole in the bottom of the vent so the cold air from the aircon goes down that way onto the radio. See if that'll cure the problem. Wish me luck. That was easier than I thought. There is the top of the radio. And with a bit of luck, what I'll try is I'll drill some holes in that, some bigger holes, so the cold air comes through here onto the top of the radio. It might not work, but I'll try it. I might have to take the radio out and drill some holes in the radio so the air gets through, but we'll try this and I'll come back to you in a bit when I've measured. From to there. To there. It's in there somewhere. You've got to do this without damaging. Right, I'm back. That's the underside of the vent. I've drilled 5 holes in each of about 15 mil, something like that. But there's a lot of delicate stuff underneath here, which you have to be careful when you drill it. I used a Forstner bit, which is very shallow, but I still caught one of these and I've had to reposition or re-put it back in again because it fell out. But it's working, everything's still working. But be careful when you do that, if you do that, if it works. So now I'll put it back through again, take it for a run, get the aircon cold and see if the display sorts itself out. Okay. Ignition switch. Should have done that first. big, so.
Looks so fucking mellow.
That's after about 10 minutes with the aircon on. But they've got to be open. Because that closes off as the air that comes in and down. But it seems to be working. I'll give it a try the next few days, and if it goes bad I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.